Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by placing all intended tracks in one folder so you won't miss files later. Open the Music app on Mac or iTunes on Windows. Choose File Add to Library to import. If you plan to keep files local, make sure Sync Library is off. This prevents unexpected uploads or deletions. Once added, verify they play. If they don't, check file formats. This step organizes and brings files into your library, so you can manage them locally and avoid cloud syncing mistakes. Next, you clean up metadata so the Music app recognizes tracks correctly. Select multiple songs and choose Get Info to set artist, album, and genre. Consistent tags make playlists and searches reliable. Add artwork to help identify albums quickly. If some files won't play, convert them to a supported format using Convert. This resolves codec issues. Once done, group tracks into a new playlist or album view. These steps ensure your local files behave like native Apple Music items and stay discoverable. Finally, transfer files to mobile devices using USB sync via Finder or iTunes, or play directly from the Mac if you prefer. Make sure Sync Library remains off if you want strictly local copies, otherwise the cloud may overwrite or remove files. If a song vanishes, re-import it to the library, verify metadata, and convert the file if it's unsupported. Keep a backup of your original folder. That single troubleshooting tip. If problems persist, re-add one track and test playability before mass syncing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.